How to stop snoring. You snore when the flow of air, as you breathe, makes the tissues in the back of your throat vibrate. Snoring can lead to poor sleep, daytime sleepiness, irritability, emotional upset and increased health problems. Almost all the treatments for snoring revolve around clearing the blockage in the breathing passage. That is why snorers are advised to lose weight, stop smoking, limit alcohol consumption, and change sleeping position. Some simple lifestyle changes can also help to minimize snoring. Obesity. Being overweight can cause bulky throat tissues. Excess weight around neck or throat can cause surrounding tissues to sag, which stops smooth airflow and causes vibration. Being overweight can lead to snoring. Dropping even a few pounds can reduce fatty tissue in the back of the throat, and decrease or even stop snoring. Exercising and maintaining a healthy weight and diet can also help to stop snoring. Alcohol or other drugs. Relaxants. Alcohol, smoking, and certain medications increases muscle relaxation, leading to more snoring. Relaxants. Alcohol, smoking, and certain medications increases muscle relaxation, makes the back of the throat collapse more readily, which then causes snoring. Limiting alcohol consumption, as well as avoiding alcohol before going to bed, can also help to minimize and prevent snoring. Smoking cigarette irritate the lining of the throat, nasal cavity, causing catarrh and swelling, resulting in decrease in airflow. Consumption of tranquilizers or sleeping pills can lead to the depression of central nervous system, which relaxes the muscle of your jaw and throat. Relaxed muscles can cause the tongue to relax and block the throat airways. A stuffy nose makes breathing difficult at night. Clearing nasal passages will let you breathe in through your nose rather than your mouth. A wide anti-snoring devices, medicines, pills, and surgeries are available in the market to prevent or reduce snoring. Try the conservative steps first before considering any surgical procedures. Sleeping flat on one's back may result in the tongue dropping to the back of the mouth, causing the flesh of throat to relax and block airways. Snoring when sleeping on your back is probably mild snoring. Improved sleep habits and lifestyle changes may be effective cures. Also check videos related to stop snoring devices, as well as surgical treatments. Check other related videos, as well as description below for more information.